to these lands set out for town with dreams in their hands. Across the creek on a fallen tree log, with hopes for the day through morning fog. Underwear for one, a pocket watch for the other, simple treasures each chose to discover. But on their journey back, a funny thought transpired. By the creek they stopped, humor inspired. On the way back from their town-bound quest, they paused by the creek, a moment to rest, as nature called there beside the stream. Laughter echoed with their curious theme. I grunt, no splash, one exclaimed in surprise. The other laughed with a twinkle in his eyes. Well, I splashed, but no grunt, he replied. Share in their new home, memories pair through simple joys and the creek's clear flow. Friendship grows wherever